Welcome to our channel ClassFly community. So today we will be dealing with the symbols of Mosfet. We have completed all the lectures on the Mosfet. So today is last lecture of the Mosfet. So we will be doing here about the how many terminals we can use to make symbols. So basically Mosfet having three terminals, but we also have 4 terminal symbols for the MOSFET. So let's begin. So see, it says that the MOSFET is 4 terminal device. So for so many days we were doing so many things. So how it become 4 terminal device, right? So see, as you can see that it says that it is a 4 terminal device with a drain. So there will be a drain, there will be a source, there will be a gate and a body. So what is this? Or you can say a subset terminal. So see, this subset terminal or this body is connected with your source, okay, always, and it is basically eternally connected. So you can make it or you can neglect it also. So if you want to make a symbol with the substrate, then it becomes a 4 terminal device. If you doesn't add the substrate, then it becomes 3 terminal device, okay. So it says that the body terminal is always connected to the source terminal. Hence the MOSFET will operate as a 3 terminal device. As it is connected to the source terminal, it will operate like a 3 terminal device, but it is basically a 4 terminal device when you are including the substrate, okay. So it says that, next point says that, so we completed our first point. The second point states that the charge carriers enter the channel at source. That means if this is our figure, that means a charge carrier will enter from the source and exit from the drain, okay. And it says that the width of the channel is controlled by the gate. That means this gate will control the voltage electrode and which will be located within this drain and source, okay, and it will maintain the width of the channel, okay. So you understand till this that what is drain, what is gate, what is MOSFET, what is source, right? So source means from where the charge carrier will enter and drain means from where the charge carrier will exit, okay, and the gate will control the voltage electrode. Cool. So we completed with the 2 basic points of our symbols. Next it states that the 4 terminal symbol. So you know that there are 2 channels, N channel MOSFET, P channel MOSFET. So in N channel MOSFET what happens? It is N, P, N, whereas in P channel it is P, N, P. That means like this it will be made of, right? From here our drain will be there, from here our gate will be there, and in the down it's the source, right? So similarly there for the N channel, so whenever it is 4 terminal symbol, always remember that one will be a drain. So first what you will do, if you want to make the 4 terminal MOSFET for this, so N channel MOSFET, so first draw like this one E, or you can draw like this also, dotted also. I am making it like this, E, like this you will make the E. Then this one will be connected and this will be your drain, okay, and this part will be your source. And as I said that for 4 terminal device, this was a substrate, right? So this will be connected to a source, and there will be another like this. This will be a gate, So in channel, what happens that in the 4 terminal, the arrow goes inside. The arrow goes inside like this. So this is basically our in channel. So how will our P channel will be then? So our P channel will be first E. Similarly, this will be a drain. This will be our source. Again one, and this will be our gate. And this one substrate will be connected to a source. Here what happens? Here the arrow comes out. So the difference is this. So I hope you understood both this N channel MOSFET for the 4 terminal and for the P channel MOSFET for the 4 terminal symbol. So now let's move on to the 3 terminal symbol. So a 3 terminal symbol is nothing. We just neglect our substrate here. Okay. And similarly for N MOSFET, what will be there? There will be a drain, a source and a gate, right? And here the opposite will happen. That means here the arrow will be coming out. Okay? The arrow will be here coming out. So here you can make the N channel like this. First draw a line, then this will be a D. This is your source. There will another gate and this is your gate, right? And here this is your channel, and as it is in channel, so here it will go out. Okay, so it will go out in the source part. So this is an NMOS. Okay, now for the PMOS, it will be that our source will go inward. So I hope you understood the 3 terminal and the 4 terminal. So in the 4 terminal, in channel goes in, whereas for the 3 terminal, the N channel comes out. So how you will remember? So think that your 4 terminal as your N channel is in. So for 4, your N is there, the letter N is there, so it will be in. So if you remember 1, that means for 4, an N channel is in, that means a P channel will be out. And just the opposite for the 3 terminal, the N channel will be out and the P channel will be in. So I hope you understood the 3 terminal symbol, and just remember that there will be one drain, one gate and one source. From source the charge carrier comes in, where from the drain the charge carrier comes out, and the gate will control the voltage, and it will be between the drain and the source. So today's lecture for the symbols of MOSFET ends here, and I hope you understood it. So till then, be happy and have a great day.
Now is the code time. Mistakes are a fact of life. It is the response to error that counts. I hope all of you understood the lecture of today, and thank you for watching.
Wow, that's impressive! You have completed a magic today. For more videos, subscribe. Join our Facebook group and Instagram page for group discussion and live magazine videos for exam preparation in an hour. We start at ClassFly community for students to learn from a friend in a simple way and support them in their own languages. If you are willing to be that one friend who saves us at the exam night preparation, then please join us by visiting classfly.in.